Hello, students of 11th grade. Welcome to my class, okay? Today we work according to recognizing cause and effect, okay? Okay, I give you some example, okay? For example, the cause, it refers to why it happened, okay? In a specific case, the presence of the sun, okay? And the effect, okay, of this is refers to the question what happened, okay? That the ice cream is melted, okay? When you got some very much sun, okay? It's very hot, okay? You look at that the ice cream is melted, okay? By another hand, I give you other example, cause and effect, okay? When you look at one natural disasters, for example, the earthquake, you take into account that occurs some effects, okay? The house torn apart, okay? Smashed cars. The people need a new house, okay? Rumble every way, the cows, okay? And they will need to do a lot of work to organize their lives, okay? Begin again. Okay, I give you other examples, okay? Cause and effect. If you eat too much candies, what will happen? Okay, and you write in front of these the effects, okay? According to your points of view. If you practice one musical instrument, okay, that's possible that you like, okay, every day, what will happen, okay? If you practice and practice this instrument, what happen, okay? What occur, what And another example is I give you the effect, okay? But you count umbrellas, okay? You use winter clothes to protect you the cold. Okay, what's the cause, okay? And you write this. The people get away to the confinement. What would happen, okay? And you write me in this square, okay? Okay, students, I finished my explanation. I give you the next class. Don't forget taking into account these examples, okay? Because the idea is that you practice, okay? You make exercise according to this topic, okay? Bye-bye. See you the next class. God bless you.